Good morning students and welcome to you all in online classes of English. So today we are going to start our first lesson, that is the wonders of nature. Before we start our first chapter, tell me who has created this wonderful world? Yes, God has created this wonderful world for us. God has given us so many wonderful things like sun, air, water, wind, plants, animals, trees, mountains, rivers, and so on. All these wonderful creations are given by God, and these wonderful creations are also called as wonders of nature, which is our first chapter. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about some wonderful creations of God like sun, air and water. Have you seen sunrise? I hope everyone has seen sunrise, right? Can you tell me in which direction the sun rises? Yes, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When the sun rises, it looks like a big red round shaped ball, right? It gives us heat and light and it is very essential for us. Next is air. Can we see air? No, we cannot see air, but we can feel the air, right? When we switch on the fan, we can feel the air. When the wind is blowing very fast, we can feel the air, right? So, plants, animals, human beings, all needs air. All living beings needs air. So, air is very important and essential thing for our survival, right? Next wonderful creation is cloud. Have you ever seen cloud in the sky and wonder from where they come from, who brings them and all? Okay, so let me tell you today by using this diagram. This is a tree, this is sea, this is your sun, these are clouds, this is also clouds. Now I will tell you the process. When the sea gets heated up by the sun, the sea forms some water vapors. These are water vapors and these water vapors together forms clouds. Okay, these are clouds. They are formed by sea. When the sea gets heated up by the sun and it forms some water vapors, the water vapors goes up in the sky and forms these clouds. The clouds then move from one place to another by using wind. The wind takes the clouds from one place to another place. Then these clouds brings us rain. Rain is very useful for us as well as for plants and animals. We can drink rainwater as the wind brings only pure water and the salt is left behind. But we cannot drink seawater as it is salty. So, all these things are given in your chapter, Wonders of Nature. Now, I am going to read your textbook. This whole things is given in your textbook. Now, I am going to read out all the things which is given in the textbook for you all. If you are having textbook, you can take out your textbook and take out page number 5 and listen to me carefully how I am reading the lesson, how I am pronouncing each word and how I am reading out. Okay? The clock struck 6. Arun looked out of the window. He saw the sun rising in the east. Arun said to his mummy, "See mummy, how beautiful the sun is. It looks like a red ball." Mummy said, "True Arun, the sun is useful as well. It gives us heat and light." After some time, Vicky and his friend came to meet Arun. He had a book on riddles. Vicky, read out a riddle. "I go into your body with every breath. I come out the moment next. I am everywhere, but you cannot see me. Who am I? So do you know the answer? Yes, it is air. Arun knew the answer. It is air. Vicky, all living things need air. Arun, yes, we cannot live without air. They started playing near the gate. Soon there were clouds in the sky. The wind started blowing. As the weather was pleasant, Mummy also came out. From where do the clouds come, Auntie? Vicky was eager to know. Auntie, they come from the sea. The winds bring them. Soon it may rain. Vicky, the leaves are dry. It is very hot. The rain is good for plants. Auntie, the rain is good for us also. The water we drink comes from the rain. Vicky, does that mean we can drink rainwater, Auntie? Auntie, yes, Vicky, but we cannot drink seawater. It is salty. Vicky, is rainwater pure? Auntie, yes, rainwater is pure. The wind brings only water from the sea. The salt is left behind. It started raining. They all ran inside. So this is all your chapter. It is a story of Arun and Vicky, his friend, and they all were talking about the wonderful creations of God, and Mummy is telling them how useful the wonderful creations are. Okay. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. The worksheets given at the end of this chapter we will do in next class. Till then, your homework is to read out loudly 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, as much as you can till you read it perfectly and fluently. Read in front of your parents, and if you cannot read or pronounce some words, underline that words and ask me in the WhatsApp group. And in next class again I will give brief description about this chapter, and then we will start worksheet problems. I will provide notes in WhatsApp group, and other questions we will do it here only in next class. Till then, do the homework. Try to read it 3 or 4 times loudly in front of your parents. That is your homework for first class. And till then, stay safe at home. Don't go out from your home. Wash regularly your hands with soap and water, and do some exercises daily. Read this chapter, and we will again meet in next class. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Thank you.